What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, right now Jake's are living best life, and it look to me like say you see the people them who don't like Rosealee, them are do the most right now cause them want push Jake's past Rosealee. And you see in life, you see sometimes you make it in a life, you must not forget the ones that were there. So me I say how far Rosealee and Jake's are come from, according to me hear some people talk, you know what I mean? And I go make on hear a little bit of what the people them say. You understand? And it's like right now it look like say Rosealee, because she reach to a level where she make a bag of money, she you know what I mean, dish the dog dirt. So right now the people them are pushing up, you see it. So we are going to get into that my people. We also have handsome gunman that are Hakeem. It's like him address the people them who don't like him, and who I say him get this and get that on TikTok. Him make them know say a long time have money. So me I say we also have Mackerel, I don't care. You see it, you know say from what they them at it. So Mackerel come down care and care respond to that. See we have Zozo and Brit, two mad people. That's all me can say about people. So Zozo and left Brit, we are gonna get into that. And my people, me have more things to share but me no remember. So what we not talk about in the intro, definitely I go show in the video, and also maybe add more things as we go on. So we could get into it.
Pray demon dey by your side, don't pray God dey by your side, girl. Pray demon is on your side. Pray the devil lick your cheek that day. Listen to the devil's voice. Any day you see me and you feel like you want to approach or address me, don't pray God is on your side. That doesn't make sense. That can't make sense. But say when me I say already, I'm done with this. When you can't get up in on the man and a good house and the son of blood clot, this and that, and is that girl and the ray and the tay. You want to fix, you don't want to fix it and can't fix it up front. Go fix it up front. Because you can't fix somebody else. Can't have no personal issues for go fix that. The time you're over here, get up and I don't know what I did to make the topic done and the topic gone already. I saw your life uncomfortable, I saw your sad. For your blood clot, I bring up the topic again. That don't make sense. I say you're sad. Are you that sad bitch? Ain't the topic straight and it gone already and it blah already and it done. So when the blood clot you come over here again and a blood clot quick life again and I come in. I don't fear you and I don't scared of you. More than when you see me you listen to the devil. Don't listen to God's voice. You have to listen to the devil. Let the devil work, girl. When the blood clot you come talk about pray God on your side. You pray to listen to the devil. You must always listen to the devil, girl. The devil they must listen to the blood clot. You come talk about pray God upon your blood clot side. Like you feel like me scared of blood clot you, and I come talk about Mackerel betray you, and Mackerel betray you, and a Mackerel make this way happen. If you never tell me the people and business, it could happen. And if them never group up, when me and you argue, them name would mention. When you realize that, you come talk about, you give people scenario about, it's because she didn't see me and this a person upon life, and see me and that the person upon life, and the same people them where you plot with me against me, and you blood clot come sing and chat blood clot them with me. You come chat me with them. You come chat me with them. Yeah. So don't come go on like you don't look company for blood clot help fight your battles. And I never did blood clot. No, so I go down Emmanuel Road, Galam boy with blood clot. Uno. So don't come talk about Mackerel betray you. When you not come about Mackerel, you need to come proper and come bumbuck like good boy girl. Now come and name, know where you're loyalty. But don't do me, I do already no lab, me no cross no street. We never grow together. We never nyam out one pot. We never blood clot shit. You never change my pampers. You never buy no pot, give me. Me no owe you no loyalty. None. Me no owe you. I'm not feeling no way about that. And I that my blood clots say. I'm not take you back. Me no owe you none. So if you feel betrayed, hush. Me don't know you from Adams. Me don't know you from no cross of life. Me never bow. You never help me in no blood clot situation. Same as home, me never help you in a blood clot none. Go one side and come a pussy clot name in your life. Move. We lose for blood clot have strength for the not have strength for. It's like in Mackerel saga done. What blood clot you reopen it for again. Eh? I saw no like sympathy. I saw no one manipulate the people for them blood clot money. Talk about your life. Go and fix your life. No blood clot coming in. No mention me girl. Come now get up a blood clot mention no. No call my pussy clot name. It's already done. The damage done already. I'm not going to run pop over here and I'm going to. All of my pussy clot over blood clot, yeah. I'm not blood clot, I'm not use, you know. I want to come in here when I'm alive. But Mackerel betray you, don't know why. Fuck you. Mackerel betray you, don't know why. Fuck you. You know if I'm nowhere, fly out soon, no? You know if I'm nowhere, fly out to your girl. Eh? You know if I'm a kind of blood clot paint for not fly out to you. Eh? You have a blood clot feed me from a loyal blood clot table, Mackerel betray you, don't know why. Eh? When you come over here, come go like you can bring down girl and girl for song and take it. Come eat my nasty batty wall. Yeah. Come nyam out the shit out of my blood clot batty wall. Come be my blood clot tissue. When you go like you can blood clot. You no could call me down. You're crazy, girl. You're mad, eh? You no could call me down when girl defend themselves. You no come out and play a victim. You're crazy. Come near my battle, come stop me. You no come out and play a victim. When I always walk and trouble the girl them first. Come near me. Come lick my ass. And come salute my drawers. Yeah. Come be tampered up in my wall. Fucking outside and bright but Mackerel betray me. And I don't know why. Victim, I love blood clot play. Victim. When you could the blood clot use that for me, never did I go work. I defend them for defend, I'm angry that I have a group up and I just drag the whole of blood clot, you know, yeah. The daddy was could work, you have to move. Go one style, crazy. I'm not another like me as ugly as maybe as bean as my blood clot be. Because half an over here so we are type when you broke and hungry like them. And me. And the whole of blood clots we. I don't know broke people type. All you know in here so no go on now man. Conversation done. Go away, man. I think I want to insert phone yourself in a. So now when you hear girl attack, I want to insert yourself. When you insert yourself, that's a somehow now. When you go over where the blood clot belong, when a leader and the blood clot victim player them the day I saw. Because I'm not coming to play no victim. I'm not coming to play no sympathy and all that and they're not going to like me. Because I'm too blood clot real to the thing. Fuck out. It's a blood clot of something there. Sure, you set up?
Yeah, I don't get it now.
Go on with business, go up here, go like a bush you come. Move fast, son. You can't bring me down that girl, man. That girl is not a secret for me, that girl. You can't bring me down, girl. Only can type, you only can beat up a keyboard, and me have the voice. So, girl, me not really argue with the comment section because I'm a star. I'm a star, yeah. I'm have a platform, I'm have a following, yeah. So, me not really argue with that girl. When you bring me down, you're still hungry. Back to what me was blood clot, yeah. Uno go on, yeah. Me can't really work with the club. So, what me I say, I'm a done talk. Don't come a blood clot name over your life. I don't blood clot like you. Me eat you. Me eat every bone I make up you. Me eat you. You know? Yeah. Yeah, man, me eat you. But Mackerel betray, I don't know why. Me hate you. Hatea. I hate you. Me eat your dirty blood clots. I saw the live on the woman when she's pregnant.
Alright, my people. Wanna see how TikTok come down now? Wanna see how TikTok come down? I saw the whole of them think, no matter how you see them. I saw the whole of them think, them not owe one another no loyalty. Them just link up for a moment, to get some kind, and then, you see me, it's every man for themselves. You understand me I say? And look how the Mackerel him liquor, no my people. And I tell K if you do it. Do what you want if you do what you see. Boy, me I tell you, yo, Mackerel. Me have to love Mackerel people. Jesus. Yo, what you tell me what you think?
I saw that blood clot live on the woman when she's pregnant. You can't live for me. I don't know my blood clot belly actually. Where you, Lava, what you saying? Where you say? I'm not hearing you.
I'm never listening.
Oh, me not hearing you. What you saying again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, over here, tell the people them say them for date man who have money. Yeah, that my way I tell them. Where I say.
So the man who you have no money?
No, better. You want to know him boy never tell me some pussy big. So you know
that never was a question I asked you.
I tell you say.
Yeah.
Them a pussy big.
No, but you are tell people say for date man and mama say the man who you have date no have money. So I'm asking you
no question. Go come have no question. Go take a shitty mic from me in front of your mouth. I mean, don't trouble you. Don't trouble me today.
But, no, it's just a question.
Just a question. Now when somebody put on my platform this. Yeah, my show.
So you tell alright, me not knocky.
Remember me there box, you can't take me down. Remember you can't take. So I can root tape me like. You think I like this? I do know.
You know what me a problem? Root to who?
I'm sorry.
Alright, you think I paying this?
I'm sorry.
Alright then.
I won't root here.
You're nice, it fit you. Nice. Yes, it fit you, me not like fit you, fit you.
Oh, you like coming down in front of people.
No, but anyway, but it fit good, it fit good, it look good for him, I'm not gonna lie.
Like you have for embassy again?
Burn a nerve.
Oh, I like
I put fun and joke aside. That video me say no more time where you have the white, you change your feet and make it look white. Now do it more, don't do it.
No, but like it. But like to look like a white.
But you're natural. Your skin smooth, so not do it. You don't need to do all of that.
Okay. So what you do that white thing anymore?
No, I do no white thing. I always know say that black cool, you know, even miserable, but when you come to that, you're different. Not do it.
But Lava, I still come back. Thank you. But I still come back. Yeah,
I'm being over here, be myself.
Me never give trouble yet. Lava, look for me. My skin too smooth for that after me now. I put that up.
You eat from there?
Lava, I must eat.
Okay, that's good.
We start before I eat. Yeah, but in a bust up a blood clots. My favorite dopey is long over here watching dopey. That can't make sense, girl. Come with something else. You're not a real secret about me. Eh? You're not a secret about me. You tell some favorite dopey girl. And like, come on. Like, listen. You're not a real secret about me? Okay. I don't know, go on, take time and leave it chat. Come and leave it talk to your niece and shot. Take time, leave it chat. Yeah. Spell it again. Me mama eat the girl, man. Me eat the girl. B-A-D-8. H-A-I-G-H-T. Eat. A-T-E. Eat the blood clot girl. Me eat the spit. The blood will run in the blood clot girl body. Yeah, man, me eat the girl, man. Real eat, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, me eat them, man. Me eat them. E-I-G-H-T. I was drink coffee and we eat. Right. So me and Roger have this together. Let them eat, my father.
One thing when things are keep for your baby father ensure things are keep for you, don't you, girl?
Yeah. And that them not like. So when she didn't group up with the next big old one, she didn't feel that she did not go win, you know. But she never didn't know that the big old one had chat she. Everything when the big old one tells she, the big old one come back, come tell everything she tell the big old one come tell you.
One thing, you know, when you bust it out, you know, my baby mother.
Big up yourself. I'm like, you look damn nice. Yeah.
My baby mother, when you bust it out, I tell them, say my baby mother might come talk, but she not tell no lie.
Then,
one thing about her, she gonna show her say them a hypocrite, she gonna let it out, she not hold it. She not, no girl now come take her for fool and she keep no secret for them. After she not, girl no obligation.
Look at now, hear them. When that's why we should ask Auntie Triple, no. Say Auntie Triple when last come to Jamaica. Come did here long time. Say the woman run off on whatever visa she want run off on. Them talk all of them things about. Me never did what to start them nothing. Auntie. So said, so done. Never that tell a lie.
Triple said no, mama. I forgot look for Mackerel. I apologize to Mackerel. Mackerel never tell a lie. Triple chat. Triple said I forgot look for Mackerel and apologize to Mackerel. Mackerel wasn't telling no lie. Me know you never tell no lie, my baby mother. You know make up
from them. That's enough for cross my part and try, but you know say from me you easy the woman to talk to me. So when fear friend click like about me now, you want to come jump in a high.
Let me tell you something why none of them could tell me nothing. You see when she that girl name The C name girl did a cuss me. The other one they on the live sit down and listen. And the whole of them sit down and listen. So when they are class them, me did one of them come say me sit down and listen.
But we know that they got him on the phone. She sit down and listen with the senior one. But when me and you play the match, they were telling me you should have jumped. I said the bride see my life is with Roger, the bride.
Yeah.
I said tell him.
I'm moving a blood clot.
The bride see that them did war. Me not know none of them from a pink to a uncle. Me know them never eat one table. Me not like them girls. Right. You know.
Right.
Yeah.
And I don't feed her.
We not feed her. We never come go dash on a belly. Me don't like them.
Yeah. Anything my baby mother say, move on a blood clot.
Come here, say, all of me you followed. All of me you followed from the Roger saga. I never cost me. Or when the others who could do body when they can't hold no man, when married every time I cost me, and then the time they want group up with her and cost me. Girl, the girl chat and say she hate you. Because when Barney and her cost, you never pick up fear. And when Russell and her cost, you never pick up fear. You choose to play with them. And that the girl say, boy, I'm just trying to drop the whole out in my head. Yeah, I don't joke with no, I don't speak it to me.
And guess what?
No, that's a good.
Them talk say you're the worst girl, but them are fine if you chat the people them with.
Yeah, I'm a beans. Remember me a beans. I'm not fan for chat.
Yeah, and them are fine if you chat the people there. So them hot girl them have no hot friend.
Exactly. Why choose me?
Yeah, why them have no hot friend? Why you?
Why me? Why me?
That means they are good as.
Exactly. I remember when boy one baby kid that I interested and let's sit in make him go on. When in blood clot, let's negative me to positive. The boy could come out and tell nobody, and the boy could have said no vice notes and a pussy big. No, crump in the style. I'm a pussy. I'm the beer body. I'm a crump.
True.
When the fact was screen a card where the boy said a pussy big, sign it, show me. Now, you know, the boy come tell me now, what's the man coming out?
Yeah,
Now I'm
I knock up our man, them one time.
Look at they see it, you know, and that is why I'm be careful and them not a secret for me. They're not a secret, they're not a keep up, come and don't know what you're
you see, true, them feel like you're not keep them not really like you know.
Yeah, I'm in a bro, I'm in a body. Yeah.
And your eye them no straight.
I'm a eye them no straight, I'm a black. Yeah. But one thing you know, I never married.
Hey, my people, yo, mackerel is something else, you know. Jaja, yo, let tell me what you think in the comments, my people, make a watch some more.
Every time, yes. No, never find a thing there. I'm in the boy put that in, but I'm not going to
I wish one married 7 times. Tell it, Toby.
Me dear.
Are they seen him married 7 times?
No. She married, she married 1 time.
Hold on, stick up in your just say so. Stick up in.
Suppose I was business.
Morning.
Business? Then such much service to my offer.
Yeah, can't remember people sell green card, you know.
And them not rich, I said them come back and them got Mexico and no money, and that I can't understand. If it's a business, where's the profits? In a profit, it's a profitable business. Me, the C1, she not really cost me no like that. But see the blood clot K1, they were telling me about me betray you. Them who in a loyalty, never sleep in our Airbnb before.
Alright, really and truly, the K1 not really do me nothing or cost me. So me not really cuss her. You know me straightforward.
Hey, that's why I really cost the C1.
Me not like this, the C1 me not like.
The C1 now cannot bother us, I'm not going to lie about you. But to buy.
You see a vice versa. C1 now say nothing about you. The K1 now say nothing about me. So me not go really. To be honest, me not pressure the K1, but me hate the C1, she want a pussy.
Me hate the K1, she want a pussy too.
and people are going on here and say, oh, you know, she's like a shit. No, everything she has.
You see one, no, but too bad. I never see one that bring me down. I never see one that I can't cut to see one. We can't do it. But you know,
that's why I can't really pressure the K1, you know. Coming to really say she really bring me down already, you know.
Yeah,
Me not gonna tell no lie.
Yeah, man,
but me not like this.
When it's my group chat and
the only thing me don't know if them chat me behind my back.
No man, they need my group. And I can't understand with them, Lori. Come here, best friend. That me can't only chat to people and behind them back. And then when they click live, on the quick say access them.
The K1, me not say she say nothing about me. I never say she bring me down yet, so me not drag her. But me da get it. Me da hold the C1, click and roll it up like red carpet and clip it off with her scissors.
Right.
Oh, she pretty so she can't keep her man. Mighty God all. No man, nothing wrong if you can't keep no man. Cause she too pretty if you can't keep man.
But Roger, come here. What you give it to me yesterday?
That's all
she keep man more than the K1. We can't buy a skin. She keep man more than the K1.
No man.
God more.
The K1 keep her man long. All when it rough and rocky, she did have her man. The C1 you know, she say a blood clot too look shooting pan TikTok, catch a belly breed and then it done.
No, oh God, that not so bad. Like how the K1 married last the blood clot 1 month. That wicked Roger.
No man, but the K1 there with her man long before that.
The red flag and run go married, that's the thing.
No wrong.
At least the boy that give him money and them second down with him and bring him. And I tell you,
no man, I prefer K1. The K1 did have her man. The K1 have better pussy man.
But the K1 pussy, you know, it come like you not keep up. You know, K1 pussy, him man say pussy big. Me man said about the C1. The C1 say want work on it.
Psychology. Listen to this now.
She in the PTL, then good she never say so.
Roger!
Crystal, leave my baby mother, leave her. I'm a sister. Leave her, no, leave my baby mother.
Roger! Wait, what Crystal said?
No, she said make you go on with the problem.
Okay, Crystal. But we are going to stay, Crystal, because we have different opponents in the war.
Yeah, because me now cuss the K1, because K1 me not ever hear she a cuss me.
Me not cuss the K1.
But that's when the C1 a chat me, the K1 dep on the live, you know. And she a chat me, and a diss me, and the K1 dead, and she never jump. So when them a chat the K1, me not jump either. Me a sit down and me a listen to.
Yeah, when I did a cuss the C1, me never did a jump. Because really and truly, I was saying out behind a Roger, me did say it, so me can say it in front of him. My loyalty stand with Roger until when the pussy this blood clot means.
Right.
I'm kind of up me yet. Say, possibly not really up my
head. This my baby. You know I don't got reason for
yeah, you know.
Roger, tight going to vex.
So if you're not up now already, you can't up now again.
This tight is going to vex.
Yeah, man.
We have to think about tight.
Exactly, and why you want to hear a song together?
Yes. But at least we have local connections that keep us together. That is tight.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. Now watch a bit more. You know, we're gonna move on to the next people.
You know
where me I come from. When I say Roger Rose crew, the boy never blood clot each no time. So I'm loyal to girl. Man, what am loyal to? When I see this, I'm going to call whatever I want to say. In my blood clot.
Leave
my Auntie Lady Gaga. Yeah, my blood clot Auntie Lady Gaga.
Yeah. Leave her alone. Leave my baby mother. At least we make it clear, so me now cause the K1 come and the K person good. You understand me? Like, I don't say she not do me nothing, me never hear she bring me down yet. But when people are class me, she stand up. And then so me can stand up to fear is fear.
Them never jump when see a class, yo.
Right. Walk one life without the knife. All when me there no kinds never argue them. I go on trot.
Because you cannot find anything on the internet that she did was a happy moment. And too much happy moments have happened on the internet when news could have done. But you're always going to see them when it's a tear down. So you cannot tell me at no point in time that you are happy at home. Me think you're one of the hurt people them will like hurt people. What me think what the word that me I look for you say you imprint yourself? No, another imprint is not the word. Reflect. Everything that you do or go through, you reflect it upon others. And you can't come to me and all you want, because guess what? Project, thank you. Your project yourself, that's all we see you do. From me to anybody else name what you call, all you do is project yourself. Pan the whole away. As me say, you can't come for me. You know this time you come for me, I would mackerel and I will never answer you again. I gave you too much power here. Let somebody else. I created you. And I figure out how to end you. To not respond to you. Because you like sadness. You notice that from a stop answer you can't rise the next level. From me stop answer you. From me stop feed your venom. From me start gear stripe. I used to know something too happy for that shit. I couldn't follow you and follow you up and follow you up and follow you up and follow you up. After me no mad man. As me say, she go just maybe do one live and that's it. Get over your past like I did. Oh, you tell a lie for me. You tell one lie for me, I have to address it. I never come over here come tell about your uncle unless you too lie. Because if me did do that to all screen recording people, they may not know. You come talk your business. Stop it. Somebody in your comment section wrote it. I never spoke about it. Tamika didn't speak about it. You are lying. And everybody on TikTok know this. If I came out and said it, it would be a memory to me right now. Say, you said this about somebody. I know this is happening to you. I never in my life ever talk about motion with anybody on my TikTok. Ask anybody who watch me every day. It is not a topic that I visit. So don't tell any lie on me. A person sending your information to me and I write this up on my live, I talk it the day say somebody send something about her, I not talk about it. When me a hear cuss. I never spoke about that topic. And it's not because of me. I don't speak about motion because there's a lot of people who do not want to revisit it. There's a lot of people who have not gotten over it. Exactly unpredictable. If me did say that about her, it would have been a script. I've never spoken about that about her. It's a very sensitive topic and not everybody can get over it. People will get triggered. I'm telling you, it's a suicidal walk. So that part, anything else you want to talk about me, talk. What about me come call your old panda. Now you wanted people to know about you. Because you heard that it happened to me. Now you want people to know it about you. You spoke about it. Because if I had done that, other people would have known. And it would have been out here. So don't tell any lie on me. Okay, thank you, Doctor. Me no hear when me hear such a say that. Me say about her. Me say what? It is. Listen to me. I know people up to this day who cannot have sex. She not on the rise because we not answer. Me not answer, so she can't rise up and go on. But just know what she tell the lie upon me. We all know who she is, and me not get no venom.
I'm 57 and my son says I need to spend hours in the gym to lose weight at my age.
She ever come run up her mouth like she always do and whatever. That's not the topic. She's not a topic. I just had to call it out.
What should I do? You should do Tai Chi walking. It's built for better resistance. Walking heals your body, gives you energy, then melts better. How long before I see results with Tai Chi?
I choose not to talk about it because of others. Because I know what it can do to people. People are not even sexual active because of molestation and them something like. They can't live a straight life. They have to be on medication all their life. Anxiety take them every minute. It is not a good topic to revisit.
Alright, my people, so I don't talk too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Make a watch some more and then we move on to the next.
And I don't wish it on anybody. At one point in my life, I wanted to do a community service where I go in once a day and talk to hurt victims. And I said, no, I don't think I'm strong enough. I've done it with younger kids and I think it worked a couple times in my life, but to help them, but I don't know if I think I'm strong enough to can handle it, because pain is real and I think you need certified people to help, you know. The only way I do it on TikTok, I do it on a sub live.
Go on, man. Nah, jump on, go on. Just enjoy your life. Step down and do what you do, you see me? Nah, step down. Go on, man. Go. Leave. Yeah, I don't need your loving again, baby girl. I don't need your loving. Your loving is fake. Your love is fake. I'm the realest girl you know right now on the planet. Your love fake because everything you do it for cloud. Everything where you do it for cloud. Everything where you do it for cloud. Everything where you do it for cloud. So I don't need your loving. Your loving is to make the media get to see you more often because you're with Zoe is doing this, Zoe. I don't need that. I don't need that type of loving. I'm going to it. Remember you not put food on my table, you know. I'm going where I go, man. Come on, zero. Come back, come up 0-0 as in we have to start back over right now. I don't know where to start from. Who says that we're starting? Rabia, big up yourself too, you know, Rabia. No, look a joke, you know. Yeah, man, 0 and camera back come 0-0-0-0-0. Chat here I go and say all wanna follow up the page, cause TikTok and say we get at least 50 followers a day, you know, and get some fragments, you know. But see Rabia help me the fragments them, so make sure all I wanna follow the page there. Yeah. Just do it right for me, please and thanks. Mama would give me more a chance, Mama, but when do me a while ago, Mama? When do me a while ago, I'm afraid of Mama. That me I tell her, Mama, it make sense today with a girl where you go afraid of her. Yeah, dog, it make sense today with a girl where you go afraid of her. Why sense doing that? No, sir. No song you no sing, sir. See all the tell lie for me there. See all the tell lies, I'm a shoot you. I'm not shoot you. I don't want to deal with them, Mama. What's about it, Panaco? I'm afraid of you, we all poison me. Yeah, man. You will poison me, you will throw anything in our eyes, give me if you take me down. I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of you, prudent. I'm afraid of you. You make when I'm sleep in my bed, I'm not sleep. I have to sleep with one of my eye them open. I'm afraid I put the knife on my throat. Afraid of you. Bad. No, look a joke. Robbie, a whole heap of respect to you, no, Robbie. A whole heap of respect. Nobody feel like say me I use him for true, say better and go on, so when me I do nobody can say me I use her or me I ray or what. Mama, she don't want married, mama, she don't want to married. She don't want to married, cause she didn't want married, mama, so she hold 300,000 already, you know. So she could have pay the money. You know, as in 200,000 to do what we are do privately and ray, you know. But she never want married. I teach she did one. Remember somebody accept her with her teeth them dirty in her head, you know. Remember say only see within 2 years I been a kiss her before she go get her veneers, you know. Remember say I been love her before she go do her veneers, you know. Just remember good, you know. Remember say when me a kiss prudent, you know, all only know, you know, in her mouth never really clean, you know. So only have to know that in her mouth never brush every day, you know. So only know that in a whole heap of time, only all tell me say prudent for go brush him out, you know. And me still no scan her, me kiss her. Me kiss her same way, me no scan her. Me no treat her like she's nobody. In a crowd, in a taxi, in a KFC, everywhere she go. So nobody feel like say or no. Me show you real love. So Anna, like me, never did I show you real love. Me show you genuine love. So I don't know, don't go on like this. Don't go on like. Yeah, me did it before you have a veneers them.
Yeah?
Yeah. Me did it before everything start rain for you. Just remember good. See you broke all my bed base, yeah. See you broke all my bed base, yeah. And so what you do, you go buy a brand new ear before you buy my back one bed base. A bed where two of them sleep on. Let's look into that in a chat. He come do anything and he broke the bed base. Bloom, bed base broke. Think the girl who downstairs then so 10 grand. Put 20 grand on and buy back one brand new bed, my dog. Make we can sleep comfortable at night time. And me one you want buy back the bed. Me one for buy back the bed. And I say, alright then, no problem. I go buy back my bed because I'm my house today now. Yes, right. Me don't watch no face. Oh dear man, me don't want to go through so much with this girl, man. This a girl youth. I don't know how in there pan youth. I don't know how in there pan. I don't know how she there pan. Because everything what she do cost me. Everything what she do cost me.
Focus on your little family.
And me can't keep up with that. Everything what she do cost. Then that me I do. Me I leave her alone. Just stay. Me I leave her alone. You come like when I here. Me they leave her alone. Only now see me tell her if you left me alone. It's no prank. God bust me in on that roof, yes sir.
So what if me not want to leave me alone?
No prank me not there, sir. No prank. No prank me there, sir, broski. No prank me there, sir. Me not do no prank. No prank. No prank me not do. Nah, do no prank. Me not nobody feel like a prank. A serious thing me at that. Me a give her space. She want to play a match. Me not go this her and run her. She want to play a match, play the match. But me and her depend no link up but where I go do this or go do that. Me and her do none of them move there. How are you, man? A girl that just only I make things go look opposite to me right now. Before me go forward, he makes you think the reverse. You might do your thing, me I do my thing, you. Yeah.
Hey, my people, I want to tell me what you think, right? Want to tell me if you feel like say Zozo broke bad in the first place, cause yo, you saw that man meet a woman, a man try go all out, you know, to impress her and to get her, you know. But some of the man them end up broke the woman them bad while them a do that. So you have to be careful what you do. You have to them say caught her, do not bought her. You see me I say? So tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. But I have to big up Zozo up on this still. This is like from Brit I talk to him, Brit appear more like she take care of herself. You know what I mean? She look more sensible, she act more sensible. So me I say she look better, she act better. You know what I mean? So me have to big him up for that. You understand? Him take her from the person that she was maddy and guani and get her clean up and she calm and do her thing. So me have to big him up for that.
That's all I can tell you. I'm pretty up not with nobody. I'm pretty up not with nobody. I'm growing around, growing with nobody. Yeah, I'm coming out and tell nobody no fuckery. Yeah. No, sir. Nothing like that out there, man. Nothing like that. Nothing like that, papa. Okay. Believe in our roach. One work, you know, dirty bad mind, boy. Yeah, man. You know, I'm dirty, I'm a bad mind. How are yourself, man? You know, I'm dirty, I'm a bad mind. You're clean and bad mind, though. You're clean and bad mind, though. Chat. Everybody turn on flag and chat. Everybody get the speed now. Chat. Everybody get the speed, my side. I want to hear over and chat. Everybody can get the speed. 16 somebody and I want to hear over and 16 people you ask right now. Talk about them a big pussy girl. I mean, boy, I don't catch no speed. Suck your mama and go, my name begging nothing. You don't want to get the speed and go on, man. You know, go on, man. You behave like that to hurt me. Go on, man. Go on, man. And you know, rape me over here. What you do over here? You must go along where you go, man. You must feel like you're somebody, man. You know, much belly and over here going like you're innocent. You gotta go away from here, man. Over the blood clot, man. Different man, as a man. You're quite a different man and making life happy, you know? I don't hold long nobody daughter, you know? I don't want nobody daughter hold me down. Simple. If no lose nothing, I mean no lose nothing. Then can go on team ways and me go on my ways. None of we no lose nothing. None of we no lose nothing. Yeah. The only thing more than say, I give him all of my strength. I give all of my time. You me and she, me did been a run up and down back all the time. All both them I go me there with him. Yeah. So I know that I'm bad, so I lose. Yeah. Did a female lot. So you see the idea? I know God see all I good them what me do. So if you don't see good them what me do for you, you can suck on a man go. Me I tell you can suck on a man. And you know you can't see me and do me nothing. Me I tell you no brawling. Because anyone else may approach me, I throw away I go down. I mean, you know, what when I try to come over here and make it look like say you're me a pussy. I don't know what someone will come over here and talk about. Then I don't run my life, me I tell you that. Then I don't can't force me to do what I don't want to do. Me I tell you no brawling, suck on a man, on a corruption for the media. Then I can't tell me what to do or what to do. Suck on a man brawling, me I tell you that. Me a madman. Me murder one and got jail. None of you can ramp with me. I tell you that. None of you can play with me.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think, because Zozo did a hear Jamal. Him never did a listen, because I see me even rip the clothes of Jamal. You know what I mean? The girls are drugs clothes. You see me I say him never did a hear. Woman and an investment, my brother. You see me I say? So don't spend what you can't afford on a woman and don't broke a woman bad. You understand? So partly your fault too. People tell me what you think, we'll move on to the next.
Me nah look no friend from now because hold on 3/4 on the boy a pussy where I come in. 3/4 on the way I talk to me right now on some
Buckler. I'll be a good son of right. When everybody run out, it's not a problem. As me run to pussy clot, you will all I take him a big deal. You can't drink much on Sprite. Don't you know what I'm saying? No boy run off for a better life. They catch you, they catch you. Only they need to make a big deal out of it. I don't think she buy him. You don't know about him. Tell them if you leave me, let me run in peace.
And bro, look. I think his story time are just for entertainment, guys. So, hot girl not have time for them thing that
hot girl not have time for fucker. I got some skunum.
Watch ya, bro. You know, feel no way. You see no picture? I be a fake page, bro. Be a who say writing, you saw them look sensible. Oh, I'm tear dog, you can't follow them people, bro.
That's true, man.
Come here. But look who I tell you that we love disappear, Bowie.
No, watch out no diamond.
Not true.
But yo, me used to see thing and bro, let me tell you diamond, you see just because me did I do a good deed, bro. You see it and when people beat me, me feel that way. You see now? Them could have stayed in a charge. I tell you, know, them could have stayed, bro. Cause watch out, Jay, not one real page, bro.
Hot girl not have time for fuck grip. Sweeter, listen to me now. Not even, I even mockers them. They not look mockable. Cause we work with mockers sometime, you know, but the girl them in the comment say, I even mockers them, they not mockable. At that.
Upon them girl we are big, bro. Watch out. Always so nice, sensible girl.
She look alright, you know.
So now that me I tell you, bro. Never nobody. And me not talk about girl. You ever see a dog them? Some big waist man, brother.
Leave a look on them, man.
I'll see one, bro. He must send me a fish, you know. And every day, them man, they wind up himself. Well, no dog. Every day, them man, they turn up in front of the camera and lift up all him shirt, you know. I wind like a big body boy, you know.
I should have ate we.
Bumbo clad.
I should have ate we. Cause watch out now. Amount of time. Me have a comment. Amount of time. Me see family hug up each other. And should not like we.
We is a
when me there a ball. Cause me feel like my mother did sick and the dog just give me a hug for cheer me on a rub with feet, you know.
Bro, when me see them son married, them go on. I say, look for this brother and I take the beam out of female eye. And I try to take the beam out of mine.
Switchy. All when them know a fuckery people, them hear them now. I strongly agree. Yes. You're getting somewhere. You have a point.
You have a point.
That's so cool, mama, man.
We still have a point on this. Now chat, we have a point on this. Fuck man.
I always have a point.
I like it. I have a point on that, man.
I always have a point. I'm a old man. From looking at that boy, your eye, I can just see the demons. Alright, we call it evangelist. Don't say nothing. He's a prophet. I realize yes, with TikTok you have a lot of evangelists over here, you have a lot of prophets. When you see things before it happen, man, you can just read people and tell people how them stay. Alright, evangelists, and big up on yourself, man. But you now, not cuss with no more man now, you're not bust no more man on the app.
Never see a sense. That's why I feel away, bro. Never see a sensible girl and not commented, you know, bro.
I'm stop pay them, man, brother.
That's why I feel away, brother. Because when I go through things with that, I want to tell you, so I go on the people and page, brother. I want you to say, I go show some people, I say, I go show the people when I this, because I go in the comment section and some of them. Bro, no, I not even can see no picture of people, and so 90% of the time, them, brother.
All people, but then just afraid for use for them page, so then just go, because here I go on. You see that up here? Not for no woman over here saying, I say me a fish, you know. But still would give me pussy, you know. That if someone not give me it already, you know. Someone know me here and that comment section a bun me out, say me a batty man. And I say that same girl, that's something me would. When time when? And I tell me about she love me and I beg me to fuck her. Oh. Yeah, so you go still.
Yeah, watch this away. Bro, you know say I find the care that where you from.
Yeah, I tell Stam. Stam I say I don't like it tastes fuck up.
Well, that's true.
Yeah man, the same girl them, and if they vex. So me and they left, so they just bonfire for me. I don't know. Cause I not really style over there, enough of them messy style me. And my old phone could have opened up a porn site to amount of video night. I mean never. Cause I not believe in them thing there, bro. She could have dissed me in a worse way. I'm telling you, man, big up yourself. Go and be your business. Your secret a guy grave with me. I saw me program.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So we're going to watch some more of this and then we're going to go over Hakeem and hear what he say about the people them we are watching how he make on TikTok, and then we move on to the next.
Yeah, I like that, bro. I'll be a prophet over here, man. Not sure, babes. Well, if a prophet and evangelist, they know everything and see everything. Big guy like that, man. You choose me, not choose them. Tinkerbell, I choose you. Never watch Pokemon? No man, that's something I want me Jayden. You see younger generation, them don't have to understand. When no man vex, them a go cuss and them a go on bad. Them a go say things that they not even mean. You as a man, bro, you have to know, say you see our secret guy grave with you. Anything what me in a bedroom, stay in a bedroom. Anything what me on the phone, stay on the phone. You see me? When me done with that girl, I'm telling you how me go to work. You see that this me and me done with you. Me just erase everything. Me no want to see you. You not exist. Me delete if either them on me I fuck could I look good look more. Me I delete them. I don't want nothing with them on my phone because me is no more. I saw my program. Yeah, bro, I know how it feel. Woman open them out, man, I say some things and it get under your skin and man, you want to feel it back in about our job that we are man. Walk away.
Okay, no.
Walk away. I know it feel, man. You want to tell her your mind and give her back a piece of what she had, but you have to just hold it. Hold up your stress and go on the road.
Then come like you know, they come and wash them blood clot here and just vacuum them.
I see him there when wash your rain come fuck you.
Come like that we just vacuum them, dog. Come here, say bro, as you drive out the road so to
rain start. And when it no wash no rain now fall.
No rain now fall.
What you do? What you smile? Oi, 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 oi. Hi. Now who that in your phone when you smile and I text her? Who I text me?
Who's texting us? Who I text me? You know? So yes, I have sweater. That's it. Boy, the people in my customer for come over here come promote my little thing. Yesterday, last night, I see somebody like them post it, so me promote my little thing them. And bro, you suppose you see the people in the comments, who go buy that, who go buy that. You want me post my sale? Almost 300 shirts sell in a space of 2 weeks. So I'm gonna read back on the comments them. I love who deal with here. And my people them love me. Go look for my site at 300 and odd shirts sell. You see what I say? You know how we do that? The love when I come give and the support, bro. I could stop this, brother. So you see all of them there, they beat it and a beat it come. It come like a let me tell you something. A long time, and if you don't want me to talk a long time, I have money. You see what I say? So you see, all of them over here so I worry because I see nobody else I worry about the money with the other people I make, you know. It's always about what Akeem I make. You don't worry about me when I make. You see what I say? Because everything I go do, I go hold it and I go hold on the eye and ready, brother. Because you see, you bro, no too bad mind, brother, and not too black against me and me alone. You see what I say? You not too black against man, dog. I want to no charge you. Lift up, man. Come on for me. Not too black against man. I feel like say I know I got bad mind. Wait till my birthday. I can show you. I don't just always talk about TikTok this and TikTok that, you know. Yeah? Show you. Wait till my birthday, man. Wait till my birthday. Thursday my birthday. Yeah? Wait till my birthday. When you feel like I know I'm not gonna me have money, wait till my birthday. Yeah? I remember we drive with some boy in a drive. You see it? Remember me drive with some boy in a drive. I remember me not drive nothing under 10 million. So me go on something for go run with them. Yeah? Let's see me go on something for go run with them. Yeah? So now I gotta see the thing I get better and better, more and more. All of them things there, so. Oh people. Me I tell you something. You see me as a man, when you can't study me. You see it? And the love what me have in my heart make me a prosper so. Yeah? The love what me have in my heart, me I do it. Remember I said before me come on TikTok when I see my house, I rent house me live in, you know. And I see the house I have. Ask anybody. I build a rascal house and a rent house me in right now. Wanna know watch me, bro? You see it, a long time me I do this. Long time, bro. A long time God bless me here. Long time God bless me. That's that me I tell you no. I'm a ball boy when me drive, when me do and about my money. Don't worry about my when me have, brother. Yeah? the maths. X6 2018 too. You see it? We buy 3 years ago, so I do the maths. A rental car back too. So no go on there follow me up, bro. You see it and follow up with me making them some. Them quite alright, you know, bro. And my mother, where you see, she quite alright too, bro. Tell me, I tell you, bro. They no short or nothing. None of my little family then, bro. No short or nothing, bro. Don't worry about your wrong thing, brother. You see it, a God me say, bro, and a God bless me, bro. And you see art what me have, brother. You see art what me have? See art what me have, bro? The art what me have, God I always bless me. Cause me no bad mind nobody, me no look down for no man thing, bro. Me no look down for people thing. And me love and respect everybody, bro. You see what me I say? No, watch it. Sometimes silent, sometimes too humble, brother. Sometimes I have to show them and give them things to talk, brother. You see what me I say? Yeah, bro. Pressure on the brain and make it, and you see what me I say? Yeah, charge it. Sometimes I just not follow on up, see him here, bro. Too humble sometimes makes a man feel like safe. When you can walk over man here. Humble sometimes makes no fun to feel like someone can walk over man, bro. And come talk with man never say, cause that's all you're doing on a build story for man, brother. And come talk something, bro. Me can come over here and say, yo, I love God so bad. You see what me I say? I wanna just put and take off the I love part and put the part say God so bad. And all when I know depth of my life and know say me never say so. You say just you want think you can style, man, bro. When I just turn the whole narrative phone away and do what you know do. But I'm telling you something. Thursday my birthday. That's true, bro. When I turn the whole narrative certain way, bro. Say what me never say and them little thing there, bro. You see what me I say? Be a that you no do me, dog. I'm not so not do nobody else that you know, bro. Be a that you no do me, dog. Bro, me with over here and I laugh out for my whole life, brother. And a whole little vibes, brother. I wanna caption it somewhere, bro. I mean I tell you no. Some people with depth of my life and hear when me directly say I know say I never that me say no. I still come make video about man, brother. Allow me alone here. I'm telling you that from now, brother. I'm not fast with people, so around here. People, all me a beg on them. All me a beg on them. You see? Who said they rate me? I love me. When I go repost my thing them. You see what me I say? If you know for my birthday, if you can buy a shirt, buy a sweater, for support, big up on yourself, me that appreciate love it. You see what me I say? Yeah. So me I do TikTok and God bless me certain way where 1 and 2 people kinda love me. And me there so I do my little thing and I sell my little thing them and I criticize me, dog. I criticize it.
Some people in life still, you know, you have to understand say every time you try to make a move, you try to better your life, you're gonna have naysayers and you're gonna have stumbling blocks. You know what I mean? But you can't watch that. You have to watch the progress. You see what I say? So I want to tell me what I think my people. We're gonna move on to the next.
I can't do nothing for myself. What am I do? Dead for hungry? Eh? Come over here, come entertain you and dead for hungry? Sometimes I can't bother with doing a youth. I come like say I send myself money. I support myself and the people them support me. You see what I say? Begging anything me want do, me do. You see what I say? Angel reacting, anything me want do, I make my opinion comment too.
Problem where we the people that have with Drake, where Rosalie content we say him is not a provider, she is the provider. And now him turn a provider. One of the problem with me have is the rat, live with rat shit and then say that job. And me think Drake start work on him because you know they're not the rat shit no more. need up a place to provide a clean environment. So, we are work with JX. Rosealee no start fix nothing where we talk about. We say she love man our best friend, man our light and salvation. Who Rosealee shall fear. She teach me that every day. So, when you check out the two parents, them now you have to say JX is a better parents because we see the fault, we talk about the fault, in here we and we fix it. Remember, we did say JX need to work, you know, needs to be there. Remember, me one of them was saying, man, depending on the apple, and when you look, JX need to work, JX will start work. When you hear him talk to the panel, say, so start work, you might be with work. You say, I'm going to move out. Where that show you? Give somebody where I take accountability, seeing fault, and ready to fix it. Be honest now. What else we say we have problem with JX? No more problem now today. The nastiness went in after 12 years. See there somewhere else that stay there, he have a house that below. You say, if it's not a provider, he have a worker coming in place. What else problem we have with JX so we can talk about is the little girl, all of the little girl panty them dirty and the little girl have to go to school in a dirty uniform. How can you? As a mother, when you can't wash our panty as a mother, well, how can you as a mother sit down and say something like that out of your mouth? Not if you own a little daughter character, you're not protect her little dignity when you own. Yeah. You know what I see in Jamaica as a first one here? Jamaica from, let's see, touch 2000, let's see this around Jamaica itself. I don't know about around the world, or maybe that's around the world. You see from it touch 2000, you see a man in a house is not a man again. And me blame 3 boy picnic. And if none of them wish to come so in a life, they're telling me that lose half of them because a man's supposed to be a man. They explain this to me. You see, man have woman that do feel them duty, and they must take up a woman them duty. You see, any boy when we have a baby father and a baby father with me have to mind with my money, me not treat them like a man. Then it's a girl to me because they want to be a girl. They're supposed to step up. Me at work, you at work. You must say James is evil. Say he might take up himself and go to work. Whether Rosealee lazy, yes or no, and then the two of them come up from work, or she done working at the night, and him come up from working at the night, them get together, tied up the place together, think things to the work. But if she see herself at work, right, and him not work, we expect she to treat him like a dog because he want to be a dog. Because she stop him from work, and she tell him to stop him. A long time. Let me just finish and come down. May I say what she did say about the little girl. If you have a man in your house who willing to help you clean, you want make money, you can't do the housework. Say she can't do the housework because she feel like say she overwhelmed when she don't do her life or whatever, and drinking at the house help you, and you make consider what them say she rich and she make it okay if you might take care of the people them and me make the money. Why not? So why you not putting in the part? So why you not ask this question and fix your argument like better then? Because you hear the man say it and him fans and everybody in the community say it. The man used to work and Rosealee stopped him from work. What I just said about that? He used to work in the draw then. If he might take up the woman work, it should be in the draw. No, it's not in the draw. What if they explain what they're supposed to do? Because Rosealee tell you what Jake said because she's telling them to work. She said people bring them go school. Then why she can't clean the house? Why she can't clean in the room to make VR work. Then if you take up the household work, get everything done. Apparently the two of them are the same. And them man nowadays in the Caribbean don't want to work. If me find a man we don't want to work. But she never said she tell him to be clean house. She name out what she tell him to do. She never tell him to clean house. She said like I was supposed to go in her necessary part, then she keep her pad. Maybe put on her dirty panty them in there. And she go in the place. She said that she doesn't try to bring him down at that point, but at one point if me find a man I'm him no one get up go work. First of all, let me tell you, when you find a clown, you have to take a clown. And Jake should have put himself in another position. They are 3/4 of the boy them down at the ghetto. Look here. 3/4 of the boy them in at the ghetto at Jewish string them up. Them want the don't want to work. When Jake's mother asked if Rosealee be tied on her people, now tell her say Rosealee be tied on her. No, Sky, everybody in the ghetto have that for say about people and them man. The man wants to because he wants type of woman. Listen, if more Rose and nasty girl, Sky, him know Rose and nasty girl from the day him take her up. Him know why stick there. Money control boy. You see them boy, you nowadays down at Jamaica where you see down there.
Listen. Hold on.
You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that.
The people are telling in the community how long Rosealee and Joseph and Rose and nobody. Look how Rosie looking at her past. And Joseph and Rosealee.
Some people, this more ask, me said this on the previous video before that one, yeah. So more ask this. One of the things that Rosealee do, what she do about the youth them and analyzing them and a bag of things on purpose for them come take the youth them, because she knows that the only way she could have get Jakes out of her house. Tell more on the thing with people, more I know from Uno.
So I can kiss up all both and I love up all both. So where you say Jake should have this and Jake should have that and Jake should have that? The people they find a couple and find a match and them pair when nobody never want Jake, somebody never want Rosealee.
Exactly.
Rosealee, she knows that she go on top now. Why she don't make a move and do something better?
Our fame get to our head and that's our
why she don't do something better? The two of them used to teeth buckle every time I come here. They say we don't see the whole of the same thing play out to people in contact in the community. Me have traffic when me attack, you know. Everything when me say about them before it reveals. So me come back of your repeat. It was them used to teeth buckle. It was them used to walk and grind each other to get a little savings. Why Rosealee make it in life? Why she don't use her head and come with it?
You can't tell me I am blessed and me get rich and me have my money and the 2 weeks I gamble and the 2 weeks I smoke and the 2 weeks I drink and nothing come out of that relationship there. And when you have billions,
it can come out.
Oh,
it can come out.
One of you
that's a fit them relationship, girl. You them can't live your relationship. That's a fit them relationship. We just talk how disrespectful Rose is to this man.
Right.
So that our
but Jake could have walked several times. We never just leave and just even go and go.
Girl, easy said and done.
Rosealee, I'm not that spell. Whenever she finds you. No spell, not everybody love talk about holy and kindness and pride. A man people cannot tell life and Rosealee. They say Rosealee will only people in pity and believe. Oh, them right mind. Now what
he pushed that aside. He said, my focus is the children. That is my focus. So you could see the change in him. No matter what he was before, that most of us don't know, you could see that he's trying to impress CD. That's the right way. Instead of her humiliating that type of behavior, oh no, she digging her heels, she want to go more dirty, she want more money, and we can't see the money because the down in Seaview and the foot soldiers get money. The gambling get the money. She has nothing to show, nothing literally to show except a hairdo. Right now, not even her fingernails are done, not even her hair done properly. She has nothing literally to show, and no matter how you look at it, that somebody want to be mean to themselves, not even a bucket of paint. Forget about the rat poop that she's not cleaning, because as a woman, she should make sure her place clean, even if Jake nasty too, right? Because he's a man. Even if he is not keeping up the house the way it should be, and him cook the food, she should make sure that her environment, as a female, she should make sure that her environment is clean. And if Jake not doing good, and she talked to him about it, she had enough money that she could get a helper. If she don't want to do it herself. If she feel that she don't have the time to do it herself, she should get help for him to do it, or speak to him about it, and if he don't want to do it, she do it. Or she get a helper to do it. Right? Instead of sitting down and just living in it as a female. I'm talking about as a female. Right? So there's no excuse for the rat poop in the drawer. There's no excuse. None of them should have it there. None of them. Right? But as a female, if he's not pulling the weight and not cleaning up the place properly, he's just doing it where you can see. Right? Just where you can see. Then it's her duty to make sure that the drawers are clean, the areas are clean, places where he's not looking at and not doing. She should make sure either he does it, get on him and say, Jake, you didn't do here, darling. Jake, you didn't do there. Right? And if him don't want to do it because they're having breakdown in the relationship, get a helper for a week, maybe for once a week. Right? Once a week, come and clean down the whole place. Not only that, she always have the door locked, so of course the place going to smell musty and the rat do not help. She could have put a grill on the front door and the back door. I know it's not her house, it's her mother's house, but she could put people who even rent from stranger, fix the place to their comfort level. People who don't even know their landlord from nowhere, no blood, no string attached. They fix the place. If the carpet not look good and the landlord take too long, they put new carpet because they know they're living on there and they're planning to stay a long time. She live in her mother's house. She could have put a grill on the front door, a grill on the back door, and leave the front door open so air can pass through. Because I wouldn't tell her to leave her door open in Jamaica right now and don't have grill. Because she making money, people can rush in on her, although she have her protection from the Don and the foot soldiers, anything can play. So I wouldn't say to leave herself open to just having her home open to the public. But she could have put grill on the front, grill on the back door. And then she could open her home door, the living room door and the back door, put on the grill so air can pass through. Grill the windows, open them. It don't cost her arm and a leg. Right? She making enough money that she could do those little things. Somebody said she need to empty the whole house. The lady's right. The whole place need to empty and paint and wash. The floors need to be washed properly, paint over, and start over. But what I would love out of all of this, my main focus is the children. That's the number one thing. It is my prayer and my wish. Since we have no intention to change right now, I don't see no change in her. I don't see no change coming. Since Jake look like the only hope, unless they have another family member who is going to court on the 30th to try and get those children, I don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe they have somebody lined up, I don't know. Until Jake can be qualified. I would hope that he stay focused, stay away from her.
So can you imagine I'm 31 and I'm 57?
But
so it's like 26 older than him.
Sweetness. If you're gonna bring age, that's no excuse. Young boy love big woman.
Let me tell you something. The first pick the born 1986, the second born 89, the third born 91, the fourth born 95, the fifth born 2003, the sixth born 2005, and the last one born 2007. They come like the daddy didn't know them I got dead, so just breed me the three last ones. So whop, 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 back one another. When any pan stage, I like rats, so that. When the daddy dead, me pregnant to the last one, and I don't play with him, and I go about in no business. When I see me, I don't know me. Anyhow, guys, come, let's go.
Child, come in, Israeli, cash up on the PayPal, push up his score, focus, 4 roses.
4 roses, guys.
Come in, Israeli, cash up on the PayPal chat, we have to focus. Zel, cash up on PayPal.
Thank you so much. 2 more, guys, 2 more. Guys, remember saying that, guys, we still collect anything. Thank you so much. 1 more, guys, 1 more rose. We still collect, thank you so much. We still collect anything.
Chef, official, big up yourself. Chat, can I get 3 roses?
And you come out, trust me. Every money I go to use and every money go to him. None of it is not mine. Okay? Everything I go to him. Whatever I understand, go straight to him. Alright?
1 more rose. Thank you. Kitty, Sasan. Thank you.
Hey, my people, let me tell you something, man. You see, them people up on TikTok, it's when they take you up and say them a push you. Remember, me tell you, say them a go push you in a reverse. The whole of them, they like Rosalie. All GX have to do, I just do the right thing. And him good. You see me I say? So, me know what you thinking in the comments, my people. We'll watch some more, and then we move on.
Chat 2 times. Now stay with your BSC at work. Just a pass through. Alright, big up yourself. Sasan, thank you. Baby G, thank you. Done. Everybody will top of his screen. Thank you, Baby G. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And if anybody else, guys, remember, guys, anybody.
Baby,
anybody,
thank you.
Anybody else?
Chat snipe.
Thank you so much.
Come chat snipe. Snipe.
Guys, remember.
Snipe, Baby G, done. Thank you, snipe.
My bio, guys. Thank you so much. The Amazon wishlist is in my bio. Thank you so much. It's in my bio, guys.
That was
remember.
Close.
Today and tomorrow is Amazon Prime Day, guys. For the Amazon wishlist today and tomorrow. Shame them, make them shame, because everybody into the bill now go pay nobody now go buy no nothing. So please, me I beg you to shame them. Thank you so much, everyone. Jesus. Thank you.
Chat short.
Thank you. Yes, guys, chat short. Guys, anything at all you can, we appreciate it so much.
Good, chat them guys.
Thank you so much. Susan
Done,
one.
thank you.
Thank you,
One
Susan one. You
done.
make me feel special.
One done, that is it.
Thank you.
Neja, beg your
Thank you,
smile,
Susan.
sister.
Appreciate it.